हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन। आज के नए एपिसोड में ये बस पीछे क्यों आ रहा है? ओह गॉड, स्कैरी। हाँ क्वाइट द इंट्रो। यस, आज हम लोग निकले हैं सैटरडे को कुछ ज़रूरी काम से हमारी बाइक का स्पार्क प्लग लेने के लिए। And I use iridium spark plugs for my bike because I feel I get a better throttle response and one click starts. So yeah, overall I feel it's a bit more efficient and longer lasting than normal copperhead spark plugs. But I'll not deep dive into the technical aspect of it because जितना मालूम है उतना ही बात करना चाहिए। ज़्यादा ज्ञान देने के चक्कर में कुछ गलत बोल दूंगा तो माय गॉड। Today we are headed to build a biker in Bangalore, where we are going to receive our NKG iridium spark plugs, which are one of the nicer brands that you can use for your bikes. It's just the small things that make a lot of changes and that make a lot of impact rather on your bike's performance. और ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ अगर आप मेंटेन करते रहोगे, आप अपने बाइक को ज़्यादा दिन इंजॉय कर सकते हो और ज़्यादा मज़े से चला भी सकते हो। और मज़ा तो बहुत ज़रूरी है लाइफ में हमारे, क्योंकि बिना मज़ा लाइफ ही सजा। कल हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि बैंगलोर में ट्रैफिक नहीं लगता, आज मिल गया हमें दोपहर कोई। बचपन में एक गेम खेला करते थे हम लोग। जब भी कोई गाड़ी का नंबर प्लेट, बाइक का नंबर प्लेट मिलता था, वी यूज्ड टू कीप एडिंग ऑल द नंबर्स till we find an even number, and in case अगर वो odd number निकलता था, we used to add the number of the alphabet, like A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. so वैसे करके हम लोग ऐड करते थे and we used to keep adding till we found a even number, and if it घुस जाओ, if we did not, we used to look at other number plates. तो अभी हमें लगने वाले 1 घंटे 16 किलोमीटर जाने के लिए। प्रीटी प्लांट्स एडमायर नहीं कर सकता मैं बिकॉज ट्रैफिक है, बट यस 1 घंटा लगेगा हमें जाने में। आई एम ऑल्सो लुकिंग टू गेट माई सेल्फ अ सेना फॉर मैश इंटरकॉम। मतलब पहले मैं ब्लूटूथ वाला यूज़ किया करता था and nothing wrong with that, but I think जब सब कुछ अच्छी क्वालिटी का लिया जा रहा है तो मैश इंटरकॉम में क्यों हम लोग प्राइस कटिंग करें। if it's good, it's worth it and we get it. I feel Ntorq is getting a bad name just because of a few people. Otherwise मुझे तो बहुत सही लगती है स्कूटी। like for a scooty it has good performance, goes fast, comfortable and does its job very well, and I get it why it is getting a bad name, but I don't think it totally deserves it. What do you guys think? Does Ntorq deserve the bad name that it gets in public? Has this been KTM-fied by a certain style of riders who ruin everything good that comes for cheap? Ooh, Carnival limousine, I like it. I think Indian family के हिसाब से तो ये perfect है. The size of it and the comfort offered, it's a good car. कब ये ट्रैफिक कटेगा. Welcome to the breathing part of the city where there are tree coverage on the road, and this is what the Bangalore roads used to look like before the constructions began, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I mean, quite the comfortable view and ride that you get. I think this is why Bangalore was everybody's #1 choice, because it's so cool and peaceful and beautiful. It looks pretty nice here. Good looking car. I'm just hoping my GoPro is not just recording the console and the tank, it's recording the road ahead, because that would be embarrassing. 11 kilometers, 33 minutes, 3 minutes per kilometer. That is quick maths. आता है तुम लोग को. अब ये करके दिखाओ. This is the real test of my GoPro as of now. कि भाई इतनी स्पीड पे विंड नॉइज आ रहा है कि मेरी वॉइस आ रही है. Let's just hope कि मेरी वॉइस आ रही हो. My God. 30 मिनट में हमें पहुंचने हैं 9 किलोमीटर. So जब आप लोग ट्रैवल करते हो बाई रोड, what are the things that you must have, मतलब आपकी must have लिस्ट में है कि ये तो चाहिए ही, इसके बिना मैं नहीं जा सकता. प्लीज़ कमेंट में गाड़ी की चाबी मत लिख देना, पता है मेरे को, समझता हूँ, मैं जानता हूँ, बट what's the longest distance you guys have traveled by road? Like मैंने बाइक से सबसे लंबी ट्रैवल की है when we were coming back from गोकर्णा. तब हम लोग गोकर्णा से मलपे बीच से उडुपी से कहाँ गए थे, मैंगलोर से बैंगलोर. So that was the circuit we did. Took me a lot of time and a lot of patience. बीच में तो पास आउट भी कर गए थे, but that's just me, I guess. That's the longest I've done. But that also helped me prepare better for my upcoming rides, कि how you should balance it all out, क्या क्या चीज़ें प्लान करनी चाहिए. So that is why I was asking, like, when you guys step out for a long tour, what are the things you must have? Like for me, I absolutely carry 2 power banks, a medical kit, I have a hydration backpack, and I only use soft tail luggage because it's lighter and I can fold it according to how much luggage I'm carrying. Plus it acts like a backrest whenever I stop. Then I have small things to, you know, keep my bike maintained, like chain lube and cleaner, stuff like that. So these are like the essentials of my trip. Like iske bina I can't do a trip, long tour at least. What do you guys carry other than that? Like, what's in your kitty? Kitty would be the right word, I don't know. But ठीक है. Build your dream. Somebody bumped into your dream, buddy. BYD, build your dream. What I don't understand. Oh, Kolkata Dada. Namaskar. Kolkata 64A. AA. What I don't understand is कि Royal Enfield had the chassis built so well for the 411. So when they made the 450, why did they go with that chassis? Like, this was good. This looks good. This looks big. What do you guys think? मैं अकेला क्यों सोचूं? आप भी सोचो. I had a small mistake. लेफ्ट जाना था जिसका सिग्नल तब से खुला है और मैं इधर राइट वाली लेन में आ गया because I did not look down at the map. And I don't know how much is it going to cost me, but let's see. अंकल जी मुझे जाने दीजिए, मैं गलत लेन में घुस गया हूँ. Now I can take it. Please जाने दीजिए. बच गया. My goodness, it's too hot. Too hot. No, it's actually not too hot. Sorry, no complaints. It's not too hot. This is warm. And then I'm also wearing a balaclava and all of that. So probably why I'm a little too flustered by the heat. Hey. 17 minutes more to go. 17 मिनट में पहुंच जाएंगे. 17 मिनट में पहुंच जाएंगे. थोड़ा सा और वेट. We are headed towards Lal Bagh. Lal Bagh is like Bangalore's mechanic market for all things that you need. Old cars, new cars. That was unnecessary. The guy sitting behind you is uncomfortable. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Jesus Christ. That was not at all the right thing to do. Yeah, so the dude that just zipped past us, I don't understand what was the urgency or the need for that. Like, a lot of things could go bad. A lot of things could go wrong really fast. Like, never do that on the road. Like, it's not safe. I mean, I don't care if you hurt yourself, but you know, I gotta take care of myself. So I mean, did I enter the wrong? No, I did not. I hate bumpers. I hate bumpers. I hate bumpers. And another one. Wow, this feels like I've come to Coorg. Somehow there's a road marking for two-way lane, but pretty sure one car will take away all the space, and this guy had to spit. Indicator, sir, indicator. Something that you can use. No helmet. Yep, this does feel like I've come to a smaller town. It's a Pajero. that's Volvo. Looks nice. And this road, wow, gajab. Yeah, I think this is what Bangalore looks like. This is the Bangalore people fell in love with, because wow, just gorgeous. The old school homes. Okay, almost there. I hope, because taken too many wrong turns. It says 2 minutes, so let's hope for the best. Wow, that's oh, goddamn, Lexus. Oh, looks so nice. I wish I could stay and look at it longer. Sir. I have to make a U-turn. I don't want to make a U-turn. Okay, we'll make a U-turn. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I guess we are here at Build-A-Biker riding gears and accessories. We are open and damn boy, we are here. Shop looks fun. Alright, go inside. Hi, Abhinav. We spoke about the spark plugs. Yes. Really nice collection, bro. There's a really good collection of helmets right here, and it's all I can see is SMK. Pretty good collection. I was actually looking for this when I went for the Axor and didn't find it, and I don't know why I settled for Axor, but this was the one I was looking for.
Matte black, huh?
Yeah, it's very simple. You can't mess with it.
I think matte black is the only color I've sold the most of it.
So we are at Build-A-Biker, and please tell us a few things about yourself.
Right, so Shantilal is the name, and whatever you see here, basically Build-A-Biker is born out of my passion and my love for biking. I was into product design before COVID, and once COVID started, I left that job, lost interest in tech field, and I was like, should do something on my own. And
that is how
this is my this is the end result, what has come up. So yeah,
right.
journey so far has been good.
And where should people come to your shop? Like, what would be the location?
Location is in Vivipuram, and your biggest landmark, I could say, is very close to Lalbagh. From Lalbagh metro station is just around maybe 750 meters. That's it. So that's your main landmark for it. You can also search on Google. You'll get the location easily.
Oh. So what are we fitting now?
So this is your Blue Armor HS1.
Okay.
Price at 3K. It's a very simple Bluetooth device without your intercom feature.
Right. And
That's
we are
it.
fitting this in?
The KYT.
Right.
I don't remember the model name, sorry.
And this is the R2R Pro. Okay.
Alright, so we have gotten everything we wanted and more. We got the spark plugs and got a Bluetooth system from Blue Armor fitted in the helmet as well. And yeah, I got a blood group sticker. So anyone looking for accessories should definitely visit Build a Biker. And the reason being, it's not just another shop where you can buy things from, it's from a biker. So the things that you get there, it's you'll know, like the seller knows if it's convenient or not, if it's useful or not. So that's important as well. Like he's not going to sell you things just to meet his sales target. He's also going to give you good suggestions as to what are the things that you really need, what you don't need. Like for example, I was leaning towards getting the C30. He asked me if I have someone to get in touch with via mesh intercom, to which my answer was no. I mean, I genuinely don't, so why just for an feature should I pay 10k? So yeah, makes sense. Like that is why shops opened by bikers do better in the long run in comparison to shop run by just shopkeepers. I will not lie, I did not edit anything in the last video. It's 45 minutes long, and kudos to anyone who watches the entirety of 45 minutes on that. But coming forward, like in the coming times, it's going to be shorter. It will be 15-20 minute videos. Let me know if you want it to be 15 minutes or 20 minutes. I mean, I know if the value proposition of the video is good enough, if it's giving you entertainment, then you don't mind it being longer. But like, you know, what would be your ideal time frame for this, which will help me edit things better and, you know, give you better content. That way you stay entertained and I get famous. I mean, it would be a lie to say that, oh no, I'm not doing this to be famous. I am definitely doing this to be famous, in a good way, So yeah, please feel free to share all your thoughts, because it matters. It gives me insight into who's my audience, what they like, and if I know what you like, I can make content around it. And if I can make content around it, you get value for your time spent. But yeah, I mean, I believe the audience is not an idiot. They are not children that you pacify them with lies, and the audience does not need pacifying. They have enough content everywhere else that they can switch anytime they want to any other channel or creator that is providing them more value. पता नहीं क्यों मैं सारा व्लॉग ना इंग्लिश में करे जा रहा हूँ. मे बी आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी मोर इंक्लूसिव. ये भी मैंने इंग्लिश में ही बोला. नाइस. हाँ, आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी मोर इंक्लूसिव ऑफ एवरीवन एल्स. माय ऑडियंस कैन बी फ्रॉम एनीवेयर इन इंडिया. So if you're watching, I hope you feel included and this does not alienate anyone from enjoying the experiences that I want to share with you guys. So yeah, let's hope for the best, and that's my plan for the content part of it. And I hate these Jesus, I mean Hanuman. So yeah, all right then, that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next video, hopefully with something entertaining, maybe a tour or a travel, anything which is relatable to the audience that I'm trying to go for, and to the goal of the channel. So with that, good night, see you guys, bye bye.